Hello, this is Sharon Naraine, and I'm coming to you here from the beautiful Sunshine State. Um, I just want to say a happy Sunday to each and every one of you. Hope your Sunday is going well. I know for us it is going well. As a matter of fact, we went to church and all those goody stuff. Because my mom, she love to go to church. At any rate, what I want to say is that you know it's an amazing time, folks. This is an amazing time as far as, to generate some extra income. For those of you, I'm talking for those of you who would like to know how to make some extra money from the comfort of your home, as far as, taking care of your loved one, if you're doing that like what I am doing, because I'm a full-time caretaker for my mommy. And now my husband is not well, so I have to, drive him to dialysis and those goody stuff. So here's the deal, folks. If you would like to know exactly what I'm doing, okay, from the comfort of my home, here's the deal. I am very transparent, okay? Just send me a text message 352-805-9846. Again, that's 352-805-9846. You can call me as well. That is perfectly fine with me. You can give me a call and let's talk. Let's talk. Let me help you. Okay, get yourself situated so that you can be able to earn some money from the comfort of your home while staying, take care of your kids, take care of your loved ones, take care of any, um, like what I'm doing, your elderly parents, your mom, your dad. And this is really good for those, um, like retirees, for also, stay-home moms and dads, stay-home parents, firefighters, school teachers, folks, um, as well as for, entrepreneurs who are looking to make that extra, income stream, who are looking to add it to your arsenal, to add another income stream, okay? Because, multiple streams of income is very essential, folks. It is important because it is good that you will be making money from more than one business opportunity. And folks, here's the deal. Just call me up. Also, you can go to my website, which I'm doing this amazing, crazy direct mailing, which is it's on fire right now. So it's you can go to createwealthwithsharon.com. Also, you can go to fastcashwithsharon.com. Again, createwealthwithsharon.com, and you can go to fastcashwithsharon.com. Folks, again, I just wanted to say that I greatly appreciate you. I love to have you in my team. I love to coach you, to teach you, to show you how. It's not difficult at all. Folks, I am dedicated, okay? I'm dedicated at your service to make sure that you're making money, to make sure that you will do, you know, um, generating extra income. You will do what you're told. We have training, we have you know support, you name it. I'm here. We have a beautiful team who kind of become like we're like family now.